You are most welcome, my dear viewers, and thanks for watching. If it's your first time, please kindly subscribe and hit the notification button so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. Like and comment. Tonight we are talking of the introduction to Surds, and it is a topic and a numerical concept. Before we talk of Surds, let us understand or talk about the meaning of the rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational numbers are numbers which can be expressed in the form P divided by Q, where P and Q are constants, and Q, which is the denominator, should not be equal to 0. We are having examples of rational numbers. We can have 1, we can have 2, we can have negative 1 divided by 4, we can have 3 divided by 2, 7, 8, and many others of the same category. Then on the other hand, rational numbers are numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of P divided by Q, and still P and Q are constants, and Q, which is the denominator, should not be equal to 0. We can have examples. If I have a value or a number as 1.4267236, it goes on. We see that this number cannot be expressed in the form of P divided by Q. We can have another example of such a number or such numbers. If we can have a number, for example, square root of 2, this is an example of an irrational number because it could give us the 1.414213 like that. Also, you can have another one. You can have pi is also an irrational number. We can have the square root of 3. We can have the cube root of 12, and so on. So it is from the irrational numbers where we now we see that Surds are examples of irrational numbers. So when you have a number, for example, have the square root of a, then it is called a surd, and specifically this is of degree 2 or order 2. We can have another one, for example, if you have the cube root of a, still this is a surd of third degree, and all these ones are surds. But in this topic, we shall talk of the surds or the irrational numbers of second degree or surds of second degree. And what does it mean? We are going to talk of those ones that are having the square root of degree 2. And you have to know that the square root of 2 is the same as the 2 power a half. So we are going to draw much surd of order 2. And thanks for watching. See you in the next presentation.